Hi students, I am going to do fourth sum in exercise 11.2. Draw a pair of tangents to a circle of radius 5 cm which are inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degree. It's given that the radius of the circle is 5 cm. So we must take 5 cm with the help of the ruler and draw a circle of radius 5 cm. Draw a circle of radius 5 cm. To draw the tangents inclined at an angle of 60 degree, we have to find out the angle POQ. See the rough figure. POQ. We have to find the angle POQ, the center angle. Then only we can able to construct the tangents. For that, BPOQ. See the rough figure. BPOQ forms a quadrilateral. The ASP, that means angle sum property of the quadrilateral is 360 degree. We know that OP is perpendicular to PB, that OQ is perpendicular to BQ. As we know, OP and OQ are radius, it is perpendicular to the respective tangents, the point of contact. Now, what we have to do is, we have to find the center angle. As we know very well, this is 90 degree. 90 plus 90 plus 90, 90 degree plus 90 degree plus 60 degree plus 120 is equal to 360 degree. That means angle, we have to write angle BPO plus angle BQO plus angle PBQ, as it is given 60 degree. Rest of the thing we have to find 360 minus all of you, if you add it and you subtract it, you will get 120 degree. Angle POQ is equal to 360 degree. Now we have to draw 120 degree at the central angle. As a center angle, we have to draw a diameter. Draw diameter mark it as O and mark it as Q. Now we have to draw an angle of 120 degree. Yes, you know very well how to draw 120 degree, cutting an arc. See, I have done it separately. See, POQ. This is OQ. OQ. You have to draw cut an arc. See, I am doing. See. Now we have drawn 120 degree, that is angle POQ is 120 degree. As we know, I have already mentioned you, OP is perpendicular to PB. We have to draw a perpendicular line. See, I have done it separately. See, OP, how to draw the perpendicular line. First keep P as center and draw an arc, and from that we have to cut an arc. Let me do here itself. See, first keep Q as center with desirable radius, cut an arc. Keeping the same radius of an arc, we have to cut another arc. As you know how to draw the perpendicular, how to draw an angle of 90 degree. Similarly, we have to do. From there, we have to draw. Similarly, with P as center, with P as center, cut another arc of the same radius, draw a perpendicular line. Perpendicular means 90 degree. Now just extend this perpendicular line till it meets another perpendicular line. This mark the point as B, and this forms 60 degree. See, I'll show. This is 90 degree, and this is 90 degree, and this is 60 degree. Let me show. See, exactly 60 degree. Now we have to draw OB line. Do the justification of our construction. This carries 1 mark, so we have to do. Take the triangle OPB and OQB. Triangle OPB and triangle OQB. As we know that these are right angled triangle. Right angle triangle. Now we have to say OP is equal to OQ. OB is equal to OB. Common, we have to give the information, common radii. Now angle OPB is equal to angle OQB, which is 90 degree. By RHS congruence rule, triangle OPB is congruent to triangle OQB. By CPCT, what do you mean by CPCT? Corresponding parts of the congruent triangle BP is equal to BQ. You know, let us check. BP is equal to, see, BP is equal to 8.8. Similarly, is equal to 8.8. BP is equal to 8.8 and centimeter. Hence, we have justified our construction, and angle PBQ is equal to 60 degree. Thank you.